And so, with the conspicuous spectacle of Russia 2018 now disappearing in the distance, it's pretty much back down to the earthly reality. It's like we get drunk and sober back. There's just no escaping the enormity of the task of getting Jamaica back on that lofty World Cup stage. And no matter how we try to contextualize it and twist it and turn it, we can't go around it. There are so many hurdles to clear and indeed so many mountains to climb. It's going to take some very special leadership to re-energize all of Jamaica's football forces, to get the wagon full again and to get the nation believing that we do it already and we can do it again. If Uruguay with less than 3.5 million people can win the World Cup twice, Croatia with 4 million people just got to the final, Iceland with 300,000 people qualified. So why Jamaica can't get back there again and again and again and get that big FIFA money again and again and again? But we're not going to get there with business as usual or with everybody leading and nobody in charge. It's going to take some out of the box and inspired decision making. Make people start to wait. The president and the JFF mad, like when they used to say about captain. It's going to take leadership that will capture the imagination of the nation. Leadership that will drag Jamaica along. The government, the private sector, the players, the people, everybody load up back upon the wagon. If not, the next World Cup and the next World Cup and the next World Cup will come and go with Jamaicans watching and cheering for other people's country. Ah!